أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen, alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 5 ayahs of Surah Rahman. Okay, first I'm going to recite inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Ayah number 41. يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام. يعرف. Ain must be clear here. We just cannot pronounce يعرف. It is يعرف. يعرف. Okay, raw heavy. Fa is connected to lam. This connecting hamza. Hamzatul wasl is not read during wasl. Okay. يعرف المجرمون. Dream with the qalqala. Just bounce it. مجرمون بسيماهم. Ya mad for 2 count and this alif saghira for 2 haraka, the standing fatha. Okay. بسيماهم. Mim sakin is followed by fa. Izhar ash-shafawi. No gunna, just do izhar. Pronounce it clearly. بسيماهم فيؤخذ. This is hamza here. Above this waw there is hamza. So we should read that hamza, not waw. And it has sakin, so pronounce it with a cut off sound, a jerk. فيؤخذ. فيؤخذ. Okay, and this is all with no buzzing sound. فيؤخذ بالنواصي. بالنواصي. نون مشدد 2 حركة غنة. Alif mad for 2 haraka, ya mad for 2 haraka, and this usad must be heavy. Don't say bin nawasi, it is bin nawasi. Si, heaviness. Okay. Wal aqdam. Wal qaf with the qalqala. Alif mad for 2 haraka, 4 haraka, or 6 count inshallah due to madul arid lissakun. We'll just keep it 4 count inshallah. يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي همزة clearly, and this ya mushaddad with the stress on it because it has tajdeed, right? فبأي آلاء. Hamza do haraka, 2 count inshallah. And this alif maddiya for 4 to 5 count. We can just keep it 4. Madal wajib muttasil. آلاء. And also don't go to this sign because we have already learnt in basic tajweed that this kind of sign is for wajib muttasil, right? And this the wavy mud is for munfasil, but this doesn't apply for every mushaf. The different copy will have a different signs. So here, even though it is wajib muttasil, it has this wavy kind of mud. Okay, as you have already learned tajweed, now it should be understood that the hamza is attached and it is in the same word, therefore it is muttasil. Okay, so this sign won't decide if the mad is wajib muttasil or jaiz mufasil. You'll have to understand by looking at hamza. If it is in the same word, it is muttasil. If it is in the separate word, it is munfasil. Okay, inshallah. Fine. So rabbikuma, ra heavy, and emphasize this ba. Just don't say rabbikuma, rabbikuma. Tukazziban, zal with stress and also no buzzing sound in it, inshallah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay. هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون. هذه ha to haraka, he to haraka. Okay, standing fatha here, standing kasra here, and this is zal one count but with no buzzing sound. It is not hazi, it is hazi. Okay, hadihi jahannamu, noon mushaddad, 2 count gunna. Connect this meme to lam, jahannamullati yukadhibu, zal with, you have to emphasize it, but it should not be with a buzzing sound. It is not yukazzibu, it is yukazzibu, the. Okay, biha, alif mad, but we will cancel it due to this hamzatul wasl, and we will recite bihal mujrimun, jim with qalqala, ra kasra is light, and this wa madiyah for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah, and we are just keeping it 4 haraka throughout this tilawa. Okay, madul arid lissukun. هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن. يطوفون, ta heavy, wow maddiya in both the places for 2 to count, but make sure to keep this ta heavy. And to make this ta heavy, don't do ya heavy like yo. Yo is wrong. Ya. Yatufuna. Not yatu. Yatu. Tu. Heaviness. Fine. Yatufuna bainaha. Not baina. Bay. Yalin. It should be softer. Bainaha. Wa baina. Again yalin must be clear. Wa baina hamimin. Ha very sharp. It is not the ha of aqs al halaq, not this ha which is in baina ha. It is the ha from middle part of your throat. Wa baina hamimin, hamimin. Okay, tanween is followed by hamza, the throat letter. That is why you will not do any gunna, just do izhar, recite it clearly. Hamimin an. Madul arid lisukun, where you can stretch this alif saghira for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي, emphasize this here. آلائي, hamza for 2 count, this mad for 4 haraka, mad al wajib muttasil. Rabbikuma, ra heavy, alif madiyah for 2 count. Tukazziban, zal with no buzzing sound, and this alif saghira for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the tajweed rulings, and I hope that you're finding it very easy now, because we have already completed many of the Surah Rahman ayahs, and the tajweed rulings are very easy as well, right? So you just have to focus on the makhraj, because the rules are very simple and easy. If you recite or pronounce the makhraj wrong, then you will be doing lahn al-jali. Okay, and also the haraka, especially fatha dhamma kasra, you will not change it. You will not change fatha to dhamma, dhamma to kasra. It will be lahn al-jali, and also the makhraj of the letters. Okay, let's now inshallah recite. I'm going to unmute your mics. Fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
يعرف مجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
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 يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن.
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 فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
هذه
هذه
جهنم
جهنم
التي
التي
يكذب
يكذب
بها
بها
المجرمون
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن
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 فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So we have completed reciting. These are very easy ayahs. Few things which you have to remember. It's not yu'rafu, ra is heavy here. Yu'rafu, ra, okay. Jim with the qalqala in two places. Mujrimuna. Here Hamza with a jerk. And the sword, you all were making it light. Don't make it light. Bin nawasi, okay. Okay, rest of the thing was good, mashallah. This ta was sounding lighter when you were reciting. It is not yatu, it is yatu, tu, okay. Ha very sharp, hamimin an, okay. Fine, so alhamdulillah, any doubts in these ayahs, the tajweed of these ayahs? No? Okay, alhamdulillah, so practice well inshallah and you will recite tomorrow. Okay, let's end the meeting. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خيرا كثيرا sister.
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
God bless you.
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वअंतुम फजज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैरा.